Good morning, children. We have so many games in our school, but I hope you were missing our school, and the especially we are missing our sports ground. Today, I am going to teach you one more. I have taught you many times in this school, but I want to revise you once again. And what is this? This is our start. How we can take a short distance start. There are three type of races: short distance races, middle distance races, and long distance races. In the middle and long distance races, we have a standing start, and in the short distance race, we have to do the sitting start. So let's learn once again how to take a sitting start. Okay, come. So you have to draw a starting point first. Starting point, and then behind the starting point, you just do very simply two times measure with your hand 1 and 2 and draw a small spot. Draw a small spot. After that, you have to keep your strong foot's toe on this spot, and then you have from another foot you have to make a 90-degree angle, and then draw a small spot here. So one foot in the front and another foot at the back. You have to make it behind the starting point, starting line. And then you have to make both the spots and then come back. See, there is this spot, and on this spot you have to keep your toes, and then you have to sit at the back foot, and this back foot's knee, you have to touch the ground like this, and the front one, strong foot, you have to keep it like this. Then swing your arm up into the shoulder, not more than shoulder width, shoulder line, and fingers close, make the cup shape, and put the hands near the starting point, another hand here near the starting points, and transfer your body weight to the fingers and the knee, neck down. Then within 3-4 seconds you have to dead stop your body, don't move here and there, dead stop, and then set. In the set position, you have to lift your leg, lift your knee, back knee, what you are putting in the ground, you have to lift your back knee up, set, and then go. Watch the video carefully how we are going to make the points. This is the strong foot and this is the back foot. Make the points, and at the points you have to keep the toe and the back one and front one. Then sit, and the back one's knee keep in the ground, swing your arm, hand, fingers, close your fingers, it should be in cup shape, and keep it properly. Then neck down, concentrate on the clap or go, set and go. You have to do at least 10 to 15 times. Then make your best video and send it to me on my mail ID. Thank you.